Hey, what's up YouTube? If you're having trouble with your AirPods Pro only playing out of one ear, I spent a bunch of time on Apple support chat and they were getting ready to send me some new AirPods. But there's a simple fix in order to change the output to your AirPods Pro. With the Big Sur update to macOS, it messed up this setting. All you need to do is go into the audio MIDI setup and then find your AirPods over here. And if it's like mine, one of them will be all the way down and you just need to grab it and slide it up just like that. And just make it equal to the other one as close as you can get it, just like that. And now it should work. If you update if they push out new updates to Big Sur, you may have to come back and do this, but that was an easy fix to repair my AirPods from only playing in one ear. Hope this helps.